Gentle the Yahoo appear in a new video. Come here with Biafra, one of the Biafra member, where they call Biafran child under Biafra DOS. Come here with it talk. He say that Gentle, na in they buy Igbo people, na in they buy his own people. That they happy, say police never catch her. My people will go play the video as they talk this thing. Please watch this video from beginning to end. May you hear everything we talk before we go come back and continue. Don't forget to share so that other people will see they get the information and know how it they go. Don't forget to see they for Balabas G's. Where they happen, now there would they bring up.
All right, wonderful people. I am Mazoke no Kichuku, the general. You are going to listen to Ifani, aka the Gentle Yahoo. An idiot. Inconsequential. Look at his body. Let me tell you, Juju can never help you. You are still hiding out. You are still talking from the cave. Look at the place that you are. Very tattered. Upon all the whole money that you have made. From the kidnapping, from car snatching, from adoption of our people. Ifani, aka the Gentle Yahoo, is telling us that they are not the people that are kidnapping our brothers and sisters. In my next video, I will mention our people that Ifani have adopted and killed them in Ebora. All the whole people that Ifani, aka the Gentle Yahoo, people that he have killed. Even though today the last person that he kidnapped was the youth president of Arondi Zog, that he kidnapped and killed the person. And we brought a video of the family and the blind grandmother, Ifani, aka the Gentle Yahoo, killed the guy. And now he's coming out lying. And they are using Mazin Nnamdi Kanu to cover up. They are using the name of Mazin Nnamdi Kanu to cover up. After they will commit the atrocity, after they commit evil in our land, they will turn around and begin to use Mazin Nnamdi Kanu to cover up. I don't blame you people. I don't blame you people. I blame those people that contracted you people. I still blame those people that was lying to Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, telling them that you people are those that are doing something. You people have turned an evil to something else. And all of us, we are going to feel the heat. Not only one person. You are hiding out, calling DOS. Still telling the world that you people have neutralized them. And they are lying to you people, telling you people that Simon Ekpa is the Nigerian government should go to Finland and clear the air. Do you think that it's Nigerian government that is holding Simon Ekpa? No, we are living in Western world. You cannot just be in a safer place committing crimes, committing abomination in other land, and you think that a land that they know what is humanity will allow you to begin to destroy other people's life. Things never work that way. I want to tell you, Ifani, aka the Gentle Yahoo, the people that are holding Simon Ekpa is not Nigerian government. It's a Finnish government with a full evidence because they carried investigation. Don't think that you are living in Africa. This is not Africa. This is a Western world. A Western world. That is why they call it a Western world. Where humanity stands. Where humanity always be protected. And you are there now what to see on. You people should listen. Ifani, aka the Gentle Yahoo, let me tell you one thing. Why you are always escaping is because people are working with you. Those people that are coming to clear that Ebora, before they came, they told you that they are coming. And now you take off. And when you turn around, you tell us that, oh, Juju, Oga, one day, because every single day is for the thief. But one single day, I tell you, But I want you people to listen to this.
Nigerian Army and the DSS Police, Air Force, Navy. We are just there, they kill ourselves. See, we are one command, they enjoy himself. Eskelele. Alele obioko. I never know what they do to themselves. Dala. Ndi beri bendin zuzu. Magalolu ala nyon dembesa. Dembesa de si wotule. Nigeria Police and Army, DSS, only wotule. Mad people all over the world. Are those Southeast governors? When I know what they benefit from insecurity. They call the owners of the land terrorists, while you all are terrorists. Not that you people are causing the insecurity, you are the terrorists in Southeast. If you are denying that you are not a terrorist, releasing Nnamdi Kanu today, you see that insecurity in the Southeast will stop automatically, instantly. That is what Janto the Yahoo is telling you people. Just because of you people knows what you people are benefiting from the insecurity in Southeast. That is why you people are holding in Nnamdi Kanu there. The president of Finland Prime Minister, I greet you. You are a wonderful man. The Prime Minister of Israelites, you are a man. I greet you. You are a wonderful man. We love you. We are together, which we know. The President of Russia, Putin, I greet you, I hail you. You are a man. The President of China, I hail you. This is Biafra, the voice of Biafra Liberation Army, speaking. UN, I greet you all. But please and please, Donald Trump, I honored you. You are a great man. The Biafrans has all it takes. We are appealing to you all to please put mouth and help Biafrans. Biafrans has been dying in the hands of the zoological people, and it is DOS that is causing all these killings in Nigeria. They are the one deceiving all these terrorists that call themselves military of zoological people. They are deceiving them, telling them that we are terrorists. They are the ones making them not to understand what we are fighting for, that we are fighting for our freedom. DOS is the one. We are not against our people, we are not killing our people. We are not the one killing our people. It is DOS that is killing our people. How can we stand and be fighting for our freedom and on top of it we are killing our brothers? It's impossible. All those allegations is allegation. We are not a kidnapper, we are not a criminals, and we can't engage ourselves on that. We are only freedom fighter, we are only fighting for our freedom. Biafra, we are only fighting for Biafra nation. That is all we are fighting for. All these allegations that they are throwing on us, why shouldn't all these leaders and Tinubu being their criminal master with the Musafa, why can't them go to Finland and clear themselves very well and clear the air over there? I don't want to talk much. They have come and we neutralize them in many numbers, but those ones, they will not carry the news. Thank God that all of you, being the world leaders, have seen the atrocities and the level of hate.
My wonderful people, I hope so una don't see am o. You don read for this last one. Abeg make you share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as you dey read. Wetin this Biafra duels talk, what do you think about am? Share the video and drop your own opinion.